Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Before I continue, please click that subscribe button so you won't miss any videos like this one. Plus, it really helps the channel grow. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that may change how you view bottled water. Did you know there are tiny plastic particles or nanoplastics in the water we drink? Researchers have recently discovered just how widespread these particles are, and the findings might surprise you. Researchers from Columbia University have developed a new technique that allows them to detect thousands of plastic particles in single-use bottles of water. Using advanced imaging, they found that bottled water contains an astonishing amount of microplastics and even smaller nanoplastics. These particles are so small that they're practically invisible, but this new technique, called Stimulated Raman Scattering or SRS microscopy, is a game changer. So, what exactly are these micro and nanoplastics? Microplastics are tiny fragments of plastic that measure 5 millimeters or less, about the size of a sesame seed. Nanoplastics are even smaller, less than 1 micrometer in size, so tiny they can enter human cells and tissues. Here's where it gets alarming. The researchers found that a single liter of bottled water contains an average of 240,000 tiny plastic particles. And get this, 90% of them are nanoplastics. This is 10 to 100 times more than previous studies found, as those mostly focused on larger microplastics. There are many types of plastics found in bottled water. The study didn't just stop at counting particles, they identified the types of plastic in the water too. The most common? Polyamide and PET, which are often used in water filtration and bottling. Some of the filters we use contain microplastics that are getting into our water. They also found polyvinyl chloride, polymethyl methacrylate, and even polystyrene. Why this matters for our health? We already know that plastics are deeply embedded in our lives, but these findings raise new questions about health. Microplastics and nanoplastics have been detected in human blood, lungs, and even reproductive tissues. Yet scientists are still studying their full impact on health. What's next for plastic research? The researchers are now using this technique to look at nanoplastics in other areas, like tap water, air, and biological samples. They're also working on developing filters to reduce plastic pollution from sources like laundry wastewater, which can contain plastics from fabrics like nylon and PET. This new imaging breakthrough is helping us understand just how far-reaching plastic exposure is. So, what can you do? Consider switching to filtered water and using reusable bottles. This new research is still evolving, and as scientists learn more, we'll gain a better understanding of how plastics impact our bodies and the environment. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on topics like these, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you surprised by these findings? Stay informed, stay safe. Subscribe for more amazing videos.